Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, and another story behind the car. I'm at the NADA show, and NADA stands for National Auto Dealers Association. This is in Las Vegas, and it's quite a show, one of the largest automotive shows. It's not as big as SEMA, but it's pretty darn big. Anyway, I was talking to Scott Vickery, and he's with the Fox Factory Performance Vehicle Development Team. And so you've heard of Fox Shocks, and this is their display. This looks like they've got a Harley Davidson F250, and these vehicles are amazing. They don't have, I don't see a Toyota, but they've got Ford, they've got Shelby, they've got Harley Davidson, General Motors, and just amazing vehicles. Love that black on gray. Just really nice stuff. And I was talking to Scott, what a great guy, and he was telling me he just was out in California, just got back, I believe he said earlier today, and he was out in California at oh shoot, I'm trying to think what the name of the show. It's kind of like Baja and rock climbing all in one, and he said it was just amazing. So he showed me some videos that he had on Instagram. If I can find those, I'll link them below. But really great stuff. You've probably seen their product before. I've seen them on Jeeps when they have them uplifted. Here's a Ram truck, and there's also a Jeep I'll show you here in a minute. So I'm just kind of working my way through the crowd, but just really nice stuff. And here's a Jeep that I was talking about. So they have all kinds of items to upfit a vehicle so that it's just not shocks anymore. That's what they started with, I believe. But, they do shocks, they do lift kits, they do, I guess, they frame wenches, slides, all kinds of stuff. So just wanted to take a moment and shoot this and show you some of the cool stuff they have here at the NADA in Las Vegas, Nevada. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully this one's kind of off the wall, but this is what I do for a living. I work with auto dealers and RV dealers, boat dealers, motorsport dealers. Thanks again.